67642. We have a fantastic fixer-upper. This is for the person that's looking to do that HGTV DIY expertise remodel. This property is 1,060 square feet.
And 2 bedroom and 1 bath house.
And it was also built
in the 1920s.
So come on in, check it out, keep an open mind. Think about the vision that you have for this piece of property. It sits exactly 1 block from Hill City Elementary School, so it's a great place for a family to build their home. 1 block from the elementary school. Sits on Highway 283. So let's come on in and check it out. Okay, as we're going inside, we are going into a sunroom that is in here. And of course, you're keeping the vision. You can see the big back porch. Come on, Paris, how are you today? Good. You're going to help me show this wonderful house? Okay, so here we have little Paris. She's going to assist in helping to show us this house. Okay, as you scan around the sunroom, there are a few items that are still left in here, but of course, you have a vision. This is for the expert remodelist or somebody that's just ready to take on the challenge. As we continue on, we are going to go into the living room area. Come on, Paris, come with me, honey. Okay, in here you see this beautiful bay area. The original crown molding, majority of it is still here. So the expert that can save it and still remodel it, fantastic. As well as you can see, there are some beautiful antique ceiling fans that are still here. And these ceilings have been lowered, so you can get the high ceilings back in this house and bring it back to its original 1920s look. We have another room over here to the left. Colleen Jr. is going to tell you about that room.
So this room could be like a second living room, and or it could just be your dining room, or whatever you want. This could be like your crafting room. Your if you vlog, if you have to start a channel, this could be your vlogging room or your
Meeting
room or your meeting room.
As you can see, the detail that is still in this room here. As we're going to go into what was considered the dining area, we're going to dining area.
I'll meet you guys on the other side.
Okay, we'll see you on the other side, Junior. As we have the dining area here, there's a closet area that was here, but yet still another ceiling fan that's in good condition. Colleen just went around. This is a dining area for the expert that might like to open this up from the kitchen to the dining room here and give it a full open concept. I can see the vision. I'm sure you can too. Put new cabinets in here. It is spacious and it can give you plenty of room. Also, there's extra pantry storage in the back. But we're going to head over on the other side of the kitchen. And we're going to keep going. washer, dryer, laundry area with the closet here as well. And then Colleen Jr. is going to show you another bedroom area that is there.
Leads from the other room that we were just in. This room is pink. It does have some mattresses and some old stuff that if you like to take home with you or something, but you can knock out these walls and make this like a whole like family room or meeting room or just like a room where you just want to chill or an office.
There you go. You have it. Now, we're going to check out the bathroom area here. Of course, remodeling was beginning. It didn't complete. You might want to configure some things, but we do have the bathroom that is here in this area. So we are going to go outside. We're going to check out some more. Oh, before we head outside, gonna go upstairs and gonna let you all scan because there is another area that can easily be made into another room, and some would consider it an attic. The family that grew up here, it was the son's room, which he did tell me he enjoyed being able to have his own space. So it can be another bedroom. You can convert it into a bedroom, make it an office, or make it a storage area, but it's very huge and spacious. Good job. She looks tough, does she? Okay, we're out in the huge back door area. Believe that there's a wine cellar down below and that there used to be some sort of storage building that was placed on top of here. There are 3 different storage sheds on this property. 3. You'll see that there's 2 in the rear and there's 1 on the side of the house, which we'll take a look at in not too long. But of course, you have to be a visionary. Oh yeah, by the way, there are 10 roofs. The 10 roofs were put on not too long ago. So the roof on these babies aren't going anywhere. You won't have to worry about that for a while, so that's a plus that you can knock off. You can knock at least 10 G's off of the remodel repairs that you'll have to go do with the metal roofs. What do you think, Colleen?
I think that's good.
Okay, we're gonna go check out the huge storage sheds in the front. Okay, everyone, you've seen this great fixer-up room. 1,060 square feet built.
And it was in the 1920s, so it is pretty old, but you can still remodel it. I'm sure this house will not fall on top of you. I'm sure it's completely safe.
And I am pretty sure that this is the right house for you. It is listed at only $15,000. You can't beat that. With $15,000, you have a lot of wiggle room in your budget to bring this 1920s, roaring 20s home back to life. Of course, this huge garage shed that we have that I'm standing in front of, it's worth $10,000 to $15,000 on its own. So it's well worth the price at $15,000 because I'm Colleen Sr.
And I'm Colleen Jr.
And we're with Pratt Realty and Auction, and you can't beat that.